Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm with my man D from Desert Tactical.
What's going on, guys?
Made my way out to Yuma, Arizona again to shoot with D because you know, we've been talking about it for months now. Finally made it happen. D set up this whole course out here. He's like, hey, let me figure this out. Had a whole sketch plan, and we got out here and made it happen. And excited to shoot today. D, go ahead and walk us through what we got out here.
All right, guys. So we got some steel and paper. We got some 12 by 14s way back there. We got some 10 by 12s right here, and some silhouettes up front for close quarters. We're gonna run it, see how it goes, warm up for a bit right now, and just blast them away.
All right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and check out D from Desert Tactical and subscribe to his channel also. Let's go.
Shooter ready. Threat. Ready. Threat. Threat. Shooter ready. Threat.
right, guys, so that wraps up the range day with Desert Tactical here out in sunny Yuma, Arizona, where we got crispy AF.
Yeah,
D,
absolutely.
Thanks for having me out, brother. I appreciate
No
it.
problem. Thank you for coming over, my brother. Had a really good time.